it's Jessica. So today I'm going to be doing my back to school supplies haul. I've done this every single year and it always seems to be a favorite of your guys's, so I decided to do it again, even though I don't have quite as much stuff, just because I'm in college and you don't really need quite as many school supplies, but I am going to show you guys what I got, and hopefully if you're in college, this can kind of help you figure out what you might need. So I kind of like learned through like how I bought school supplies last year, like what kind of worked well and what didn't, and it is kind of a little bit different than what I did in high school, so hopefully this can help you guys out. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I went to Target to get my school supplies. It's where I always go. They're the best. Okay, so what I've done in previous years is I've bought a separate notebook for each class, but I realized kind of last year that that didn't work as well for me in college, just because depending on like what your major is and what class you're in, you don't necessarily take as many notes. And again, this is totally for my major. Like most of my classes weren't super heavy note-taking classes, so therefore I didn't really use much of the notebooks, and it was kind of a pain to carry around like 4 different notebooks like one day and to have to like change it out of my backpack. So I decided this year to just get one notebook that was 5 subject that would work for all of my classes. So I at first just bought like a regular 5 subject notebook. I was at Target again yesterday. I went to Target like every day, like 3 days in a row. Like it was great. We just love going to Target. And I saw this and I just thought that it actually made more sense and might work a little bit better for me. It's basically like a 5 subject notebook, but it has little pocket dividers inside of them instead of just like the sheets of paper to divide them. So, and you can actually like take them out and move them around. So if there's like a class that is gonna use more like notebook, they use like more paper than like another one, I can move it and like reallocate the pages inside of it. I just thought that was really cool, and also they're a little bit more durable, so I can stick my papers for each class like inside these folders and then not have to carry a folder, and it just seems like it would be a little bit more organized. So I got this, and it also has like protection over the binding, so I think that it will last well. It is a little bit heavier, that's the only downside, but I think this is going to work really well for me, and I'm excited to try it. So then, as I mentioned, I did get that last night after having already like bought my school supplies, so I did also buy just a regular 5 subject notebook and 2 folders that I probably will take anyway, just in case like this doesn't work out, or just like save this for next semester. This really isn't like a school supply. I got it from my dorm room, but I just thought it was cute and it was in the school supply section, so I mean, I thought I'd share it just in case. But it's just this little dry erase board. It technically is a school supply, like I'm using it at school. So I just thought that the colors on this were really cute, and I like having a dry erase board to either write like a countdown to like a concert or some event that I want to go to, or write reminders, things that I need to do, or just doodle on. I just think they're really cute to have hanging, and it's a great way to like, if like your roommate and each other like leave notes for each other, or I don't know, like it's just a nice thing to have hanging. So I decided to get this one, and it's just like a little purpley pink sort of ombre pattern, which I really love. The next thing I got is a planner. So this is my planner. I always get a personalized planner from Plum Paper. I've done this for the past couple years, and I just think that it works super well. It makes me stay so organized, and it's just a great company with great planners, and I really like them. So they are a little bit more on the expensive side, but I don't really buy too many school supplies for college, so this is one thing that I definitely think is a good investment, and I definitely got more than enough use out of it to make it worth it. So you can pick like your own cover, and then I have it labeled with my name on it, and then it says 2019 at the top, which I think is cute, and then it comes with a little protective plastic cover so it doesn't rip. So basically it just has like each month, and then it has, you can put like events, birthdays, things to remember at like the beginning, and there's a couple pages for notes, and then a full month spread if you'd like to put some things, events down that way. And then on each, I mean, they have it broken down by week, and they have it by class, and you can type the name of your classes in, so it's printed on the sides, and then it has each day, so there's a little section for each class for each day. So that's what I use to kind of keep track of my homework, and I found that it works really well. And this is actually their college planner, so there's an academic section in the back that's for like college students, so it has like pages for each course that you can fill in, like the location, the name of it, the office hours of the professor, where it is, what time it meets at, and then you can keep track of your absences and then what grades you need to pass and what grade you want to get in the class and your exam dates. They have like a little planner for studying for exams, little brainstorming sections, like group project planners. It's just like a lot of really helpful little information to help you stay organized, so I absolutely love these. And then I got a couple packages of post-it notes just because they're really nice to have if I need to write myself a note. I don't know, you just need post-it notes sometimes. They're just nice to have to write little reminders on, or grocery lists, or literally whatever, so I picked up 2 packages of those. Then I have a ruler. I think rulers are really helpful, just like, especially at college, like sometimes you just need to measure things like in your dorm room, so it's nice to have a ruler. And then it can also be helpful if you're trying to like draw straight lines on like a note card or a project or whatever, so I have a ruler. And then I got a little mini stapler because you have to staple papers a lot to turn them in college if they make you print them. So I didn't want to have like I don't really have room to store like a big stapler, so I just have this cute little guy that I just keep in my pencil pouch, and it's cute and blue. And then this is being reused from last year, but this is my pencil pouch. It has Taylor Swift's cats on it, and I just think it's really cute. And it's such a nice size. I can store a lot of stuff in it. And I mean, Taylor Swift plus cats equals Jessica is happy, so we love this. I got a really big package of Sharpie highlighters in like multiple colors because I usually highlight when I'm like reading things or taking notes for classes. It can be helpful to highlight things in your book, so I just got literally a ton. And the last thing I got is a set of the Pilot G2 gel pens in multiple colors, and it just has like all the colors of the rainbow. I use these all the time. This is what I use to color coordinate in my planner. So that is everything that I got in my school supplies haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and it was a little bit helpful for you if you're going into college and don't really know how to organize your stuff. But this is also just what works for me. It could totally be different for another person. This is just what I use. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a new video soon. Bye!